Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. I'm the internet specialist here. We operate on our parent company, which is Lancaster Honda. Today I'll be showing you this Jazz i-VTEC 1.4 in silver color. Really nice. Looks grey, but it's not. It's just the cloud. It's cloudy outside today. Comes with a pan roof on top. Really lovely. It's got full Honda history. With regards to wear and tear, we just have these wheels which will be done shortly by our body shop team, but nothing to worry about. 16-inch alloys, really lovely on the paint wise. Nothing to worry about on the side. You got this privacy glass on the rear as well. Second alloy is alright. Got these LED tail lamps. Got the front one says automatic as well. Got some couple of scratches down here on the bumper. Don't worry, we'll all be looked after. Show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space. You do have area for your spare wheel. Lovely. Customer bought it from us new when it was of his age. Really nice. So yeah, so all these wheels needs doing, which will be done by our body shop team. Show you the interior of this car. Got the cloth interior as well. Got the magic seats. Go all the way up, all the way down. So you got more storage space. Got cup holders on both the sides. Got this small dent. Don't worry, that will be getting sorted as well. It's a rare car. This maintained really nice. It's a problem. Keep panoramic glass all the way. Jump in and I'll show you the mass on this car. But overall, really nice car, runs as you should. The engine's running really smooth as well. Got all 4 electric windows. Front one is automatic. Lovely. You got your wing mirror functions down there. The fold as well, auto folding. Got a vehicle stability control and your headlight adjustment down here. So the car's done 61,560 miles. That's just 2 owners on this car from new. Automatic wipers, which are rain sensing wipers, auto headlights with fog lights front and rear, multifunction steering wheel with your controls for volume modes. You can go FM, AM, DAB, not DAB, sorry, you can auxiliary and your USB. You got cruise console on this car, your trip computer down here. You got climate control, got the LCD screen as well for climate control. So yeah, really lovely. You got down here a couple USB and your 12-volt socket. Got storage space with your cup holders. 5-speed manual gearbox. You got your manual handbrake as well. Alright, so the car's here with us. Will live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. If you want more information on this car, feel free to get in touch with the sales team if you want to go on test drive as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.